Education Award IKNX Prime Video by IKNX School in Spain. IKNX Prime Video is a video content platform to teach design, installation, programming and everything related to the KNX world to students and teachers from technical schools. This educational project is helping students and teachers from schools without financial resources to learn KNX in an easy and simple way. With all sorts of lessons, tutorials, and tips freely available on YouTube, a whole knowledge base of content is available for a very broad audience. Key features are hundreds of videos to teach the Spanish-speaking community about KNX, versatile videos and topics like lessons, short tips and tutorials, teaching how to set up projects for real projects as well as fun fictional projects like a KNX installation in the Black Pearl or the Millennium Falcon, offering KNX knowledge to all who do not have the financial means.